What's up, guys, and welcome back to the adventures of
TNT.
If you're new here, I'm your girl, Tasha.
And I'm T.
And today we have a request from Scotty.
That's right. What's up, Scotty?
And Scotty has requested the Charlie Daniels Band.
Ooh, yeah.
And this is called Midnight Train. Now, I know Charlie Daniels Band is one of your favorites. And I know Scotty knows that. So I think he did this one just for you.
Yes. So one thing that I've come to find is that the Charlie Daniels Band, they have like different sounds.
Yeah.
Because they're considered country. And we kind of grew up, or the first time we were introduced to the Charlie Daniels Band it was Stone Mountain Park,
Show.
And it was a laser show where they played "The Devil Went Down to Georgia."
Yes, they always play
and
that.
So when we started doing this country music journey, that people were requesting them, and that's when we kind of found out more about him being a country artist, and we heard some of the other country songs. But the one thing that I noticed with this band that was different from all the other bands was the rhythm that they had in their music.
Okay.
These guys can get down.
Oh, yeah.
They get down, they get funky, and a lot of the sound, it reminds me of some of the tracks with Waylon Jennings. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this song. And
see
then
what story they have.
Yeah. He's a great storyteller too.
Exactly.
Oh,
I couldn't let you leave that out.
Yeah. Oh man, I messed up, y'all.
It's okay. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Turn it up.
This is Hold Out.
Midnight train, roll on. Midnight train, roll on. Clear them tracks and keep that whistle blowing. Take your stranger on to Santa Fe. It seems like romance and danger follow this here tall, dark stranger all along the way. Well, a train was rumbling through the night, headed south to Santa Fe. And in a fancy car with a private bar and a personal valet, there was a bunch of cold-eyed men sitting at a poker table, betting hot stakes all around. Old Louisiana Lou had a knife in his shoe, was dealing a hand of cards. And old Stacker Lee Crockett had a gun in his pocket, he was sweating and betting hard. And over in the corner, this Mexican guy with two gold teeth and a patch on his eye took a long, hard look around. And then the door flew open, a stranger walked in and said, "Don't y'all get excited. I know this here's a private game, and I know I won't invite it. But I got a roll to choke a mule. I'm just about a big enough fool to lay it all right down." Oh, yeah. And everybody nodded as the stranger took his seat. He knew this bunch of cutthroats would be mighty hard to beat. As the stranger knew that the toughest two by far from where he sat was a pot-bellied fella from South Alabama and a dude in a black felt hat. Midnight train. Midnight train, roll on. Well, clear them tracks and keep that whistle blowing. Take this stranger on to Santa Fe. It seems like romance and danger follow this here tall, dark stranger all along the way. Well, the stranger sat down, he looked around at all them evil faces. And the pot-bellied fella drew a pair of queens, but the stranger, he drew aces. And he kept on raising and pushing his luck. He kept on winning like a runaway truck. He was giving them a beat. And the stakes got higher than a Chinese kite. The stranger kept getting hot till every cent everybody had was lying out in the pot. And then the stranger threw down a royal flush. Somebody said, "Hey man, that's enough, friend. I think you've been cheating." And then the stranger picked the money up and said, "Boys, I better run." And then the pot-bellied fella pulled a razor out and somebody pulled a gun. They said, "You may think you a sly old fox. You're going to leave here in a long pine box if you don't leave that money alone." Just about then the lights went out and they all started fussing. Then the lights came on, the stranger was gone. They all started cussing. And they searched that train from front to rear. That stranger, he done disappeared and all their money was gone. When the train pulled into the station with the whistle blowing loud, a telegram was waiting from the stranger for the crowd. Said, "Thank you for the money, boys, and don't feel too outdone, 'cause it takes a dog to know a dog. I'm a howling son of a gun. Midnight train.
Oh, man.
Midnight train. Roll on. Play them tracks and keep that whistle blowing. Take this stranger on to Santa Fe. It seems like romance and danger follow this here tall, dark stranger all along the way. Oh, he's long gone.
Oh, that was cool.
Yes.
All right, so just like what you said, master storyteller.
Oh yeah.
And I don't know. I thought this was really, really cool. And I love how at the end with the outro verse, it says, it seems like romance and danger follow this here tall, dark stranger all along the way.
Yeah.
And it just goes to show, like, this guy, what he did when he may have cheated or whatever, it's like that's what he gets a thrill out of.
Yeah.
You know, going after cutthroats and playing them in cards and beating them and then winning the money and disappearing.
So this reminded me of a movie that I just did on Patreon called Maverick. Now, this is a similar storyline with Mel Gibson, and he was playing poker. He won. It's
just like that?
It's very similar.
Okay, maybe they were inspired by it.
And then they were on the train, and they were playing like a poker final, and the person who won got all the money, but then one of the guys stole the money.
Oh.
So it's the same. It's very similar. So you guys should watch that. You should watch it too.
Yeah.
It's very good. But I love the storytelling. I love how the fiddle sounds like the train.
Yeah.
That was really cool how they did that.
Yeah.
So this was a really fun reaction. Shout out to you, Scotty. Thank you for being
this is cool.
a Patreon fam member. And if you guys would like to join the Patreon, find us. The link is in the description down below, and subscribe to the channel. And what else, babe? Follow us on all our social media
follow
platforms.
us on social media, but also request some more Charlie Daniels Band, because, like I said, I enjoy these guys' music, and especially with the storytelling. So
so
keep it coming. Anyway, guys, we'll see you on our next video. Peace.
Ta-ta.